Hello children, we have completed right circular cylinder, that is exercise 17.1. Now we have to study the exercise based on right circular cone or simply as cone, that is exercise 17.2. So first we will discuss some topics related with cone. Cone means, see, you have seen cone. So this is a cone. Here I have drawn a cone. So you have seen conical object, like famous is conical cap. You have seen joker cap, that is conical cap, or conical vessel you have seen. So in cone we have three dimensions. In cone we have three dimensions. One is radius of the circular base. Another one is distance between vertex and center of the circular base, that is height h. In cone another height is also there, that is slant height, that is slant height, that is represented by L. So in cone we have a vertex. See, this is the vertex. This is the center of the circular base. In the cone we have two kinds of faces only. In the cone we have two kinds of faces. One is the circular base, that is the circular part, this face, circular one. Actually this is the flat surface, but this is circular. Next one is this face, that is the curved face. This is what? Curved surface or curved surface area. This is the curved surface. We will calculate. So what are the quantities we are having? In cone, vertex is there, center is there, distance, perpendicular distance between vertex to the center of the circular base is called height, that is h. One another height is also there, that height is distance between the vertex and any point on the circumference of the circular base, that is called slant height. Distance between the vertex and any point on the circular base, that is circumference. Circular means on the circumference of the circular base, that is called as slant height, represented by L and radius. It means L is there, H is there, and R is there. And since this is the height, this is the radius, this angle will be 90 degree, correct? It means the relation between L, H and R is L square is equal to H square plus R square. This is the relation between all the three dimensions. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Then we have two faces. One is curved surface. This curved surface area is pi r L, and this area, that is area of circular base. Area of circular base. What is the area of this face? This is circle. It means area of circle, that is pi r square. Correct? It means what is the surface area of cone? Surface area means total surface area. Surface area means total surface area of cone. Total surface area means we have only two faces, two surfaces. One is this curved face, that is pi r L, plus this one is pi r square. So pi r is common. What is left? R L plus R. Correct? So surface area or total surface area is pi r L plus R. So now we are going to find how this came, pi r L. See, suppose we have drawn a cone. Okay, this is a cone. Clear? This is slant height L. So whenever we will cut the cone along its any slant height, suppose we have taken any point P here. So this will be also slant height. So when now we are going to cut this cone, suppose this is the cone made of paper, made of sheet. We are going to cut, suppose this is A. We are going to cut this cone made up of sheet of paper along AP or TA. Along AP or TA. And after cutting, when you will see, you will obtain what? Actually, we will obtain sector of a circle every time, correct? So whenever we will cut, this is a cone, we have cut the cone along its any slant height. Any slant height means for slant height we have to take a point P on the circumference of the circular base and join it to the vertex. So this will be also slant height, and we are going to cut, or we have cut this cone along its slant height. So we will obtain a sector of a circle. This is what? Sector of a circle, correct? Now for this sector of circle means radius will be there, but this radius will be L. Why? Since we have cut this cone along its slant height L, it means this will be L, correct? And this radius is different for this radius. We have cut this cone along its slant height, it means this radius will be L. Now we are going to cut or divide the sector in number of equal parts, maybe 4 equal parts, 8 equal parts, 16 equal parts, 20, or as many as number of equal parts, correct? So suppose we have cut this in equal parts. So suppose I have cut 8 equal parts, suppose I have cut, correct? Now we are going to arrange these. After cutting it, we are going to arrange this in this way. See, first we are taking this part, one part, correct? I have put this. Now next part will be in opposite direction, that is this, correct? Next part will be in opposite direction. See, one is this part, the next will be this part, then again just opposite, next will be this part, the next will be, 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 correct? So what we have done, first we have cut the cone along its any slant height, then we will get a sector, always, you can verify. Now we have divided the sector into small pieces or number of equal pieces, 8, 10, 12, whatever. And we are arranging these pieces in this manner, alternately, top one, bottom one, vertex here, vertex here, vertex here, correct? So what is the advantage you will see? Like this you will arrange, correct? So after that you can see this is a approximately, this is a rectangle, not correctly but approximately. This will become rectangle when this will be divided into very small pieces, very small number of pieces, correct? Then after arranging, that will become a rectangle, correct? Now you will see what is this length. Can you tell me what is this length? You will see this length is circumference of circular base, that is 2 pi r. This length is length of the circumference of the circular base, that is 2 pi r. Now this 2 pi r is converted into this length, length of r. Correct? See, we have cut the cone along its length height. It means this length has become length of the arc of the sector. It means this length is equal to 2 pi r. But we have divided this length in two parts. See, this part plus this part. Why? We are arranging in opposite manner. It means we have divided this 2 pi r into equal length. It means this is also pi r and this is also pi r. And this is slant height L. You can verify by your its own. When we have cut, this length is length of r, that is 2 pi r, and 2 pi r has been divided, see, this length plus this length. This total will give 2 pi r. It means pi r here, pi r here. And we have cut along its slant height. It means radius of this sector will be L. So if we will treat this as a rectangle, correct? So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length? Approximately pi r. Correct? This is the length into breadth means this approximately. Breadth is this, that is L. It means pi r into L. So this will give curved surface area. What we are calculating? This area, na? So what is this area? So this area is what? Pi r L. That is curved surface area of the cone. Correct? You can verify this use one cone of paper or cardboard, cut it along the slant height. You will get a sector. You can verify radius of the sector will be equal to the slant height of the cone. Now divide the sector into small pieces of small sectors, small pieces, and arrange like this. When you will arrange, you will get a rectangle approximately. Clear? And that will be equal to, see, this length of arc will be equal to this length, that is 2 pi r. It means this is equal to 2 pi r. And when you have arranged, see, this length, this all will give total 2 pi r. It means pi r here, pi r here. Since it is a rectangle, we want this area, that is this area of the sheet used, area of the paper used. That will be area of rectangle, length into breadth. Breadth is radius, that is L. Correct? That is L. So pi r into L. So curved surface area is pi r L. That we wanted to prove. Correct? So curved surface area of cone is pi r L, and area of circular base already we are knowing, that is pi r square. So total area we have calculated, total surface area for the cone or surface area. Surface area means total surface area of cone, that is pi r L plus pi r square. Why? This is curved surface area and this is circular area of the base. Circular base. And we have calculated pi r is common. It means L plus r. This is total surface area or surface area of cone. Done. And we have three dimensions in the cone, L, H and R. Relation is, we have done, what is the relation? Relation was, we have calculated what? See, in the cone, slant height, this is radius, and sorry, this is height. Height means vertical height. Height means when only height is given, that is vertical height h. For slant height, this will be given specifically, that is, this is a slant height. The angle is 90. It means L square is equal to h square plus r square. Correct? Now we have to calculate volume. For volume, very easy. Volume of cone is, see, volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. See, we have seen this quantity. What? Pi r square h is volume of cylinder. Correct? It means if we will take two containers, we are going to take two containers. One is cylindrical, correct? And another one is conical of same base radius and vertical height. See what we have done? We have taken two containers, one is cylindrical, another one is conical. In both, radius of circular base, that is circular bases are same and vertical height is same. Now we are going to fill the cylindrical container using the conical one. We are going to fill this completely, this cylindrical vessel using conical vessel. So you will see, if you will fill this with water, in one time you will see it is not filled completely. What we have done? We have filled this conical vessel using water and we have poured the water in the cylindrical vessel once, that is one time. So it is not filled. Now we are going again to fill this, but again this is not filled completely. Again we have poured the water, then it is filled completely. It means what we have seen, when the same vessels have taken, same vessels means dimensions are same. When we have taken the vessels cylindrical and conical of same circular radius and same vertical height. Now we are filling the cylindrical vessel with water using the conical one, and we have seen that in one time or two times it does not completely fill. But in third time this is filled completely. It means it takes 3 times of the water in the vessel to fill the cylindrical vessel completely. It means what is the result we have obtained? We have obtained this what? 3 times volume of water in cone is equal to volume of water in cylinder. Correct? What we have obtained? When we have taken 3 times the volume of water in the cone and poured this 3 times in cylindrical vessel, cylinder is filled completely. It means what we have obtained, that is 3 times volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. Correct? So 3 times volume of cone and volume of cylinder, already we are knowing what? What is the volume of cylinder or volume of water in the cylinder? That is volume of cylinder, pi r square h. So what is the volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square. So we have obtained what? We have obtained the expression for the volume of cone, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. You can prove it by taking the two vessels. One is cylindrical, another one is conical, but in both the vessels, radius of the circular base and vertical height both must be same. So now we will start the exercise. 2-3 questions we are going to start. So we are starting with question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308. What is given? Curved surface area is 308 centimeter square. Slant height is given 14 centimeter. Slant height, that is L. 14 centimeter we have to find. A radius of the base and total surface area of the. So what is the formula for curved surface area? That is pi RL is equal to 308. Curved surface area is 308 and curved surface area is pi RL. pi is 22 by 7. R is not given. L is given 14. This will be, it means finally R will be 308 upon 44. Correct? Now if you will divide, radius will be 7 centimeter. Correct? So what about total surface area? Now total surface area will be, pi r L plus pi r square, that is pi r L plus r. Already we have seen. So again pi is 22 by 7, radius we have calculated 7. L plus r means L is 14, r is 7, 7, 7 cancelled. 22 into 21, that is 462 centimeter square. Correct? This is the answer. Next question number 5. Next is 5, first part. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter, slant height 25 centimeter. Radius 7 centimeter, slant height 25 centimeter. Clear? So radius 7, slant height 25. We have to find capacity in liters. Capacity of conical vessel. See, capacity means amount of liquid, amount of material that can be filled or kept in the vessel. Maybe it is cylindrical, conical, whatever. Capacity and volume formula will be same. What? 1 by 3 pi r square. Terms are different. Volume will be used when the cone is solid, throughout material is filled. But capacity is used when the vessel is empty from the inside, that is, it is a vessel, it is a container. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So substitute the value. 1 upon 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is 7, no problem, r square. But here what is the problem? Here L is given and we want h. So how to calculate hc? We know L square is equal to h square plus r square. Therefore h square will be L square minus r square. Correct? Now substitute the value. It means h will be under root. L square means 25 square. R square means 7 square. It means 625 minus 49, that is 576. It means this will be 24. Correct? Clear? So h is, we have calculated h, that is 24. Once again I am writing here. We have calculated h, so 1 upon 3 pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 square, 7 into 7, and h is 24. 7, 7 cancelled, 3, 8 is 24. It is what is left? 22 into 56. 22 into 56 centimeter cube. Correct? All the units are same. Centimeter, centimeter. So this is 22 into 56. It means multiply. Correct? So this will come 1232 centimeter cube. But already it is specified. Give the answer in liters. Find the capacity in liters. And how to convert centimeter cube into liter? How to convert centimeter cube into liter? Only we have to divide. We have calculated capacity, that is 1232 centimeter cube. For liter we have to divide by 1000. This is in liter, that is 1.232 liters. Capacity of conical vessel in liters. Correct? Now next. Next is question number 6. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter. Top diameter means circular diameter 3.5 meter. That is radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter, or we can write 35 by 20, that is 7 by 4 meter. Correct? Next is 12 meter deep. 12 meter deep means this is given which height? Vertical height, that is h. Correct? And we have to find its capacity in kiloliters. So first, capacity formula will be same. Capacity of pit formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Correct? Formula will be same. This will be 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R square means 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. H is 12. This will come in meter cube. Why? All are in meter. So first of all, 7 7 cancelled. 3 into 4. 1 4 1 4 cancelled. 1 2 cancelled. It is what is left. We can see 11 into 7 into only 11 into 7. 77 by 2 meter cube. Correct? Here 11 into 7. Only this is left. This is 1 by 3. 77 by 2 means 38.5 meter cube, and 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So we can write 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, or not? Why? 1000 means kilo. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1000 means kilo. It means 1 meter cube is equal to kiloliter. It means